welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys my front porch tour. I'm just going to sort of show it to you with some music over top. Basically everything that's on my front porch is affordable decor. I've either thrifted it or found it at garage sales or sort of inherited it from family. And yeah, I did a little something different this year where I put a lot of plants out there. And mostly a plant stand sort of in front of chairs where I sit to provide some privacy from my neighbors because we share a driveway. So I just wanted to provide a little bit of privacy for when we're sitting out there. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy it. We live in a over 100-year-old house. So I guess you could say the style is a little bit farmhouse, a little bit eclectic, a little bit modern maybe even. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Enjoyed that tour. I love that space out there. I'm so thankful for it. just sitting out there as the sun is setting is a really nice atmosphere. The kids can be playing on the street. They often take their chalk down to this sidewalk and sort of do some chalk fun out there, and I can see them scooter up and down the street, and it's just a really, really nice place. We can play games. There are a couple games that we have out there. One of them being, I don't know if you've noticed, but there was a beanbag toss game out there, sort of a yellow and green color. And I found that at a yard sale last summer for $2. So really budget friendly, and I like that it was old school and you know, got a bit of history. So anyway, once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.